A high-performance desktop like this is built for people who want top-tier results without the complexity of assembling components from scratch. The Corsair Vengeance i7500 presents a refined look with a sleek black chassis and controlled RGB lighting that adds just enough style while keeping the setup professional. Performance starts with the Intel Core i7-14700KF, a processor designed to handle demanding workloads with ease. Whether it's modern gaming, streaming, or multitasking across multiple applications, the system maintains smooth and consistent output. It's fast where it needs to be and reliable under pressure, which makes it ideal for long sessions. On the graphics side, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super delivers strong visual performance across the board. High-resolution gaming, detailed textures, and real-time ray tracing all work together to create an immersive experience. Frame rates remain stable even in demanding titles, making it suitable for both competitive and cinematic gameplay styles. Thermal management is handled through a liquid cooling solution that keeps the processor running at optimal temperatures. This allows the system to maintain performance without overheating while also reducing noise levels. It's a setup that supports extended gaming sessions without compromise. The inclusion of 32 GB DDR5 memory ensures fast data handling and smooth multitasking. Switching between tasks, running heavy applications, and gaming simultaneously feels effortless. This amount of memory also prepares the system for future software demands, extending its usability. Storage is powered by a 1 TB M.2 SSD, which significantly improves loading speeds and overall responsiveness. From booting up the system to launching large games, everything feels quick and efficient. Additional storage can be added if needed, offering flexibility for expanding game libraries or work files. Build quality is another highlight. The internal layout is clean, airflow is well managed, and components are securely installed. It reflects attention to detail and ensures reliability over time. The design also allows for future upgrades, giving users the freedom to enhance performance later. Connectivity options are comprehensive, supporting a wide range of peripherals and accessories. Whether it's gaming gear, streaming equipment, or external storage, everything connects seamlessly. In real-world use, this system goes beyond gaming. It performs equally well in content creation tasks such as video editing, rendering, and design work. The combination of processing power and graphics capability makes it a versatile solution for different types of users. While positioned as a premium option, the value lies in the convenience and performance it delivers. There's no need to worry about compatibility issues or assembly. It's ready to perform at a high level right from the start. If the goal is to achieve powerful gaming performance with a clean design and reliable hardware, this desktop stands out as a strong contender. For those interested, the purchase link is available in the description for more details and latest offers. This system represents a complete gaming experience built for speed, efficiency, and long-term use. It combines advanced processing power with high-end graphics to deliver smooth gameplay and responsive performance across a variety of tasks. From fast-paced competitive games to visually demanding titles, it handles everything with ease. The combination of liquid cooling, high-speed memory, and SSD storage ensures that performance remains stable and efficient. It's designed not only for gaming but also for streaming and content creation, making it a versatile choice for users who need more than just a standard desktop. Explore the link in the description to check current pricing, availability, and exclusive deals.